Hey everybody, Average Picker here. So yeah, let's pick a challenge lock. Been looking pretty forward to this one. This one is one by Funkey. And I've picked a few of his before, and they're pretty interesting. They're also fairly tough. So we'll see what we can get here. Looks like it's all in the back. Ooh, front lifting, didn't like that at all. That felt terrible. Let's do a reset. Let's get back in the back again. Okay, we nudged it down into something. 1 and 2 are sort of binding. Lots of little feedback all over in this lock. Everything. Oh, okay, there was a, hopefully you guys can see. I'm picking at a weird angle. Trying to get you guys a better view. Oh gosh, I don't know if I like that. Let's try that. Is that 5? 6 feels quite bound now, but not in a good way. Nothing. A little bit of feedback on 2, but I feel like I just chased a circle. Okay, so in the back we're freed up again. Oh, there we go. There's a satisfying false set to begin. A lot of feedback on 1. I'm gonna I just want to double check. All right, let's do it. Oh, that's a big lift. Oh, there we go. That was a big lift on 1. I do have a key for it somewhere. Let's find it. Yeah, there we go. So that was number 39 by Funky Monkey. Yeah, there's our 1 lift. That's where I wasn't feeling like that was as high of a lift. And maybe it was all the pronounced feedback off of 1 that just made it feel like it was actually bigger. All right. Oh gosh, I took the stupid thing out of frame. Well, I'm still trying to get used to working around the camera in this setup. I like the old setup better, but I know this one's probably better for you all. Look at how careful I'm sitting here going, okay, don't relock it like you did the last one. Like I've got a key for this one. Yeah, I'll use this time to catch. Oh gosh, I just felt the core start to slide. Okay, I'll use this to catch you guys up a little bit. Everybody in the competition, so Coxie, Pocket Women, and Starry, everything is ordered, and everything is kind of shipping right now. So once it all shows up here, then I will get everything repackaged and sent to you all. So it is in the works. And I know, like, Coxie, I probably could have just gone ahead and sent. Well, no, I couldn't. I don't think I could. Yeah. Let's adjust this camera a little bit. Anyway, it's all in the works. It's being done, and we will get it to you. So the mail, okay, 6 is standard. I will say the mail seems to be running a bit slow. It's probably maybe something to do with COVID, I guess. It's weird. Our mailman has been coming earlier and earlier. But I had a lock coming from overseas off of eBay, and it is taking forever to get here. It was already supposed to take forever, and now it's like taking forever plus. So yeah, wow. Okay, I wasn't. I mean, I saw the key cut. Not exactly what I was expecting to see though. And again, like I guess it must have just been that feedback. It felt like such a bigger lift than what I was pulling off in the back. So let's see, we got anything going on? Oh yes, threading in chambers 1 and 3, and everything else feels good. All right, let's do those. Let's do those drivers. And if this drops out of frame, I apologize. Like I said, I'm not used to. Let's get some light on. To leaning over the camera, and it is balanced on some empty cigarette packs. It looks like it's a standard, but we'll put it in correctly. This is a neat lock. Like I said, lots of. Oh, is that we got a pin and pin going on here? Yes, we do, kind of. Lots of feedback going on all throughout it. This is another pin and pin coming out right now. Oh no, it's not. It's just a standard and a spring. Okay, I saw something peeking out back there in the lock. I thought it was I am expecting a pin and pin in the back. Like just the way it kept itself together. Oh shoot. Well, let's see what we got. That is not what I was expecting. So it looks like we've got a mix. I mean, we've got that spring there. We've got some steel springs in there. So yeah, we got a bit of a. Yeah, there we go. Funky Monkey number 39. A bit of mix of springs. Okay, I'm going to shift the camera and we'll take a closer look at these pins. See, now I have to even remember to say shift the camera and not flip the camera. All right, so standard 1, standard 2, 3. Nice little serrations. Same with 4. Got ourselves a spool element on 5. I wonder what gave that little, had that weird flop, almost like the spiky pins do. So there's our 6 driver. Basically just a nice little spool. Very nice. Oh, that's a beastie. That wasn't one of the threaded chambers, was it? Oh, wait, yeah, no. Okay, so I'd said 1 and 3, but it looks like 5. It does have threading in there. It does not feel as deep. Yeah, it's not as deep. And it feels a little more shallow. Oh, that's interesting. We're not missing anything else, are we? I wonder how much of that. Oh, it sits pretty deep in there. Right in there, right in there. Standard. What do we got here? Oh, holy cow! Wait, does it separate? No. How did you do that? How? Did you make that with the little rings on it? Okay, there we go. Is that that's pinned? Like you might pin a, God, I don't want to, like you might pin a handle on. Man, I tell you, I've wanted to make a pin like this. Oh, that's incredible, man. I could not quite figure out a method to do it. I would love, let's look at the top of this side. Yeah, so that's cut. And that part's just kind of pinged on, I guess. I would love to know how you did this pin. I would love to see a video on you making one of these pins. That's incredible, man. That's awesome. Thank you. Pretty sure that's just, yeah, standard going on there. And there's our spool, which gave us that really cool big lift O feedback there at the very end. I thought, might have been before the reset, I thought I had a little click off of him too partway through, and he's sitting, of course, completely down in there. Let's look at how our ring pin is doing. Oh, that is awesome. That is really, really awesome. I wonder if he's meant to go this way, though, because he's got that little serrated cut. I mean, pin-wise, he's going to behave pretty much the same. Let me just put one last little tiny serration in there. Oh, that is fantastic, man. Yeah, Funky Monkey, not a disappointment. Wow. Yeah, I love it. So yeah, I would love to know how you made that. If anyone else has made those before, though, and wants to do something or chime in about how they're made, that would be really cool. Doesn't have to be funky. But yeah, I've tried to wrap my head around how I might do one of those. That does help a little bit. But gosh, that's some fine work. I'm not sure if I'm set up or capable of, well, yeah. I shouldn't say I'm not capable of it. I haven't tried it yet, right? But I tend to be a little bit of a barbarian hand. And that is a bit more of like almost a jewelry making hand. You can see that fourth chamber a little bit flat spotted down there on the bottom right. Yeah. Oh, that's really cool, man. Very, very cool. So there we go. Number 39 by Funky Monkey. All right. Yeah, thanks for sending me this lock, and thank you, Funky Monkey, for pinning it up. That's awesome. So anyway, you all have a good one.